What's up, Northern Arizona Outlaw Channel? Travis here and Johnny. We're doing a cluster change on Johnny's 14 F-150 STX package. He has the base model cluster right now, and we're swapping in one of the limited clusters. So we're going to show you real quick first here how to change out this switch to the button type switch. So if you want to go ahead and hold this real quick like this, Johnny. Reach in here. You just got to kind of use these trim tools to kind of pull it out this way a little bit. Get behind that. And I got right behind here, and then there's right down here. You can get behind it and just pull. On it here, gotta just work it out. I can see it's coming out here. You can see there's a small clip deal here. Just pull that and pull it straight out. You can see there's little pin deals here that need to go into these foam pieces of the actual steering wheel there. So we're gonna pop this one in real quick here. And work it on in. All right. And now we're going to go ahead and get started on doing the cluster swap. So let us get set up for that, and then we'll be right with you. All right, guys, so my bad here, but I forgot to actually end up hitting the film button when we pulled it. We went ahead and pulled this cover here, literally just 2 bolts right there towards the top there, right up towards the top there, and then the 2 clips that it just holds it in, and it just snaps in. It's real easy, super easy to do. You do have to shift this into neutral to get it in and out. We put it back in park since we're on a hill and it keeps wanting to roll on us. But then you have 4 bolts, 1 there, 2 up there, 1 right. Doesn't want to focus really, but it's right under here really. So this is the cluster he has now, just the regular base model. It will lose the mileage. This truck's at 143,000 I just looked, and the new cluster is at 152,000. This is the new cluster limited package. We got it for a really good deal online. Went ahead and ordered it. You do have to order that switch to do it. Super easy. So that's all there is really to it. So we'll get this one, we'll show you how to actually pull it out. So Johnny's going to go ahead and start pulling it out here. So there's just a little connector deal right at the top here. Let's see if I can get it to load. Okay, there we go. There's this little clip that you got to pull, squeeze, and it'll pull it right out. Super easy. And then you just plug the new one right on in. Literally pretty much direct swap. Now, they do say, from what the research we were doing online says, you are supposed to get one that has the same it's full-wheel drive also. I guess there's a way on Forescan, if you have Forescan, to go ahead and edit it to where you can put the 4-wheel drive in. I'm not too sure of that. We're going to actually see whether or not this truck or this one was set up with 4-wheel drive. The video didn't say, so we'll see if we have to go in there and edit it with Forescan. I have all the codes saved on my computer. So we'll go ahead and edit it in a second. So we're going to test it real quick here. We got 1 bolt just kind of sitting there. There's the boot up screen, just like my F-150 does. And then we'll go ahead and scroll through it. Yeah, everything looks like it's working. So that's different there. It's saying 2-speed auto 4-wheel drive. That's probably because it's limited. The limiteds were actually all-wheel drive most of the time. That shouldn't actually make a difference on that screen because I don't even have that screen on my F-150. My 14 that's got the XLT with this cluster. So let's see what happens when we shift it into 4-wheel drive, what it does here. Yep, 4 high works down there. So that should be good. That means 4 low should end up working. You gotta shift it into neutral 4 low. Yep, I just heard 4 low kick in. There's 4 low down there. So everything's working good there. Shifts through all the deals there. Everything looks like it works. Let's go ahead and start it. Make sure that tachometer works and the gauge is here. Yep, tachometer looks like it's working. Gauge working. Oil pressure working. All the gauges look like they work here, so it's not bad. We actually only paid like what, $100 for this cluster?
Yeah, something like 105.
And then we ordered online a switch. It was like what, 30 bucks?
Yeah.
We're gonna try a cheaper brand one for now. If we have any issues with it, then we'll order an actual Motorcraft one. Motorcraft was like 90 bucks for it or something like that online. So we're gonna try a cheaper one real quick here, which seems like it's working. So we'll let you end up knowing as soon as we do how it is after time and everything. But that's how you do the swap. You just bolt those 2 back in, then you got the 2 that bolt that back in, and you're good to go. So if you like what you see here, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment down below. And if you want to see more being done to Johnny's 14 F-150, just let us know, and we'll catch you in the next one. Later.